morning students. Hope you are doing well in your home. You have completed Heron's formula. Today we are going to start chapter 6, lines and angles. First we will see what are angles. Whenever two lines, two rays, two line segment intersect, angles are formed. You can see these two lines intersected and four angles are formed. So angles are of three types according to their measure. If the measure of an angle is less than 90 degree, it is said to be acute angle. If its measure is 90 degree, it is said to be right angle. And if its measure is greater than 90 degree, it is said to be obtuse angle. Now let us see equal angles. When two angles are said to be equal, two angles are said to be equal if their measures are same. You can see here two angles AOB and BCD. Both measures are 30 degree. So AOB can be said equal to BCD. Both are 30 degrees. See student, straight angle. A line, when we draw a line in a plane and which is equal to 180 degree, it is said to be straight angle. Reflex angle, you can see I have made an angle like this which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This type of angle is known as reflex angle. Now students see complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. For example, if we will take 1 degree and 89 degree, just check the sum of these two is 90 degree. If suppose we are taking one more example, suppose I am taking 4 degree and 86 degree. Sum of these two is coming 90 degree. In the same way, you can take some more example. If I am taking 65 degree and 25 degree, just check the sum of these two is coming 90 degree. So these are known as the complementary angles. If I am taking x and 90 minus x, the sum of these two is 90 degree. So 1 degree is said to be complement of 89 degree. Similarly, 4 degree is called complement of 86 degree, or x degree is said to be complement of 90 minus x degree. Now we will see supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. For example, you see 70 degree and 110 degree. The sum of these two is 180. 90 and 90. Sum of these two is 180 degree. 80 and 100. Similarly, x and 180 minus x. Whenever the sum of two angles is coming 180 degree, they are said to be the pair of supplementary angles. Now students, we will discuss exercise 7A of R.S. Agrawal book. Question number 1 contains only definitions. You have to define angle, obtuse angle, which you can do. Now we are discussing question number 2. Question number 2 is find the complement of each of the following angle. First angle is 55 degree. We have to find its complement. So we will assume let x degree is 55 degree. So we know its complement will be 90 minus x, or 90 minus 55 degree will be the complement of 55 degree. So it is coming 35 degree. So 35 degree is the complement of 55 degree. Similarly, question number 4 says 2 by 3 of right angle. So first let us calculate this angle. 2 by 3 of means into right angle means 90 degree. So this 3 and 90 can be cancelled. 2 into 30 degree is 60 degree. So 60 degree, let us find its complement. Complement is 90 minus x if we are assuming 60 as x degree. So its complement will be 90 minus x, or which is 90 minus 60 degree, means 30 degree is the complement of 60 degree. Now we have to find, in question number 3, find supplement of 124 degree. As I told you, we will assume x degree as 124 and its supplement is 180 minus x. So 180 minus 124 will give you the supplement of 124, which is coming 56 degree. So we can say 56 degree is supplement of 124 degree. Now come to the next question. 3 by 4 of a right angle. So it is 3 by 5 into 90. When we can cancel, we have 18 into 3, which is 54 degree. So for finding its supplement, we can write 180 minus 54. If you will subtract it, you will get 126 degree. So 126 degree is supplement of 54 degree. Question number 4 says, find the measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. So we'll assume let angle be x. So its complement will also be, what can we write? Its complement 90 minus x. According to the question, measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. This means this x is equal to 90 minus x. Complement and the angle both are equal. This x will shift this side. We have x plus x is equal to 90, or 2x is equal to 90, or x is equal to 90 by 2, which is coming 45 degree. So 45 degree is an angle which is equal to its complement. Now student, question number 4, second part you can do. I am discussing question number 5. It is find the measure of an angle which is 36 more than its complement. So we have assumed the angle as x, then clearly its complement will be 90 minus x. According to the question, measure of an angle is 36 more than its complement. So angle is 36 more than its complement. So equation will be formed like this: angle, its complement plus 36 degree. This 90 and 36 will be added, and this minus x will be brought this side. So here we have x plus x, which is 2x, and 90 plus 36 is 126 degree. So x can be calculated by 126 divided by 2. So we got the required angle as 63. 63 degree is 36 more than its complement. Now student, question number 6 you will do. I am discussing question number 7. 7 is find the angle which is 4 times its complement. So we have assumed the angle as x, then clearly its complement is 90 minus x. According to the question, angle is 4 times its complement. So angle is 4 times its complement. So let us solve this equation. X degree no change. 4 into 90, 360 degree. 4 into minus x, 4x. When this 4x will shift this side, we have x plus 4x is equal to 360. X plus 4x is 5x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 by 5, which is 72 degree. So 72 degree is the angle which is 4 times its complement. Question number 9 says, find the angle whose supplement is 4 times its complement. So we have assumed first, let the angle be x, then clearly its complement will be 90 minus x, and its supplement is 180 minus x. According to the question, supplement is 4 times its complement. 4 times its complement. So we have 180 minus x, which is supplement of the angle. 180 minus x, which is supplement of the angle, is 4 times its complement. So we have 180 minus x degree is equal to 4 into 90, 360, minus 4 into minus x, minus 4x. When this minus 4x will shift this side, we have minus x plus 4x is equal to 360 minus 180. 360 minus 180 is 180, and minus x plus 4x is 3x. So x is equal to 180 by 3, so x is coming 60 degree. So 60 degree is the angle whose supplement is 4 times its complement. Now students, 3 to 4 questions are left in exercise 7A of RSA Golf book. You will try to complete that. Next day we will discuss linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angle. Thank you.